Bagotte BG600 robotic vacuum cleaner. Intelligent one-button active. It can easily pick up dust, debris, and dirt from the floor and carpet. Extremely low noise provides a quieter cleaning experience. It can automatically avoid all obstacles in its path. 3-stage cleaning system and dual rotating brush. The 2.7-inch thinnest design makes it easier to clean under the furniture. Unique 6 adjustable cleaning modes, such as edge cleaning, spot cleaning, max power cleaning, and etc. Cliff detection technology prevents it from falling off the stairs, and once it's done cleaning, it will automatically return to the charging station.